exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team.
You did it!
This is it. We have reached the final race, the Dave Coombs Senior East-West Showdown. Ricky, it's something to put on your resume if you win this race, but if you're Colt Nichols and Justin Cooper, there's a bigger prize to be won.
Yeah, they know what's on the line. They've been briefed. They know where they need to finish, and you just got to think big picture, the commitment, what it has taken to get to this point.
Yeah, we usually don't try to step back too much and focus on the past, but in this situation, just even in the past few weeks and this year in general, we've kind of done that a little bit, and I really felt from the time I turned pro I could be a championship guy. The opportunity wasn't there at first, so it was just scratch, claw, fight your way to try to get where you want, and that's really what I did. And to be in this position now, that's what makes it easy, I think, is looking back on it and just being like, man, we were just trying to make main events at one point, trying to get some top 10s and get some momentum going, and that kind of helps put things into perspective for me and just be like, man, this is where we were at one point. Yeah, things change year to year, your expectations and other people's expectations, but for me it was always this. This is what I always wanted to do and where I wanted to be. So to be here is something I just want to cherish, and enjoy it for the moment, and one day look back on it and be like, man, that was pretty cool. So just enjoying the moment for what it is and taking it all in.
Yeah, it's crazy. Ever since I got on a dirt bike and I've watched the pro stuff, it's like I want to be that guy, and think that might happen is just amazing to me. And it's crazy to think about all the years that coming up through the amateur ranks and all the sacrifices and all the time spent on the road, and just to get to this point is just it gives me chills just thinking about it. So it's not over till it's over, but if we can get it done, it's going to mean everything to me. It's what I've worked for my whole life.
No question about it. This is an all-star game with the best in the 250 class. Throw away the East, throw away the West, Ricky. It is all about go time.
Well, other than Colt Nichols, Justin Cooper, make no mistake about it, every one of these guys on the line want to show the world who is the best 250 Supercross rider around.
Here we go, the 250 East-West Showdown from Salt Lake City. And what a jump! Colt Nichols wasting no time getting out in front with a big pile up in the back, collecting about 5 riders.
Look at Colt Nichols, man, going for your first professional championship ever. You're leading the main event.
Justin Cooper now, he's the other one that's in a mix, currently sitting in 9th place. All he needed to do was get himself in 17th or better, and that title in the 250 West is his.
As his laps wear down, this is where the emotions start to come into play. You start thinking about those sacrifices and the preparation and the emotional roller coaster, the ups and downs, the highs and lows, things you learned, things you could have done better. It's all coming to you. And Colt Nichols gets his first championship. Look at that emotion.
And Justin Cooper following suit. He is going to roll this thing home gingerly and bring home the title in the 250 West Division.
What a season for Justin Cooper, Colt Nichols, and that Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha. Just an incredible program and what they've been able to build here.
You did it, mate! You did it! You did it!
Colt Nichols is your 250 East champion after a long season. All the off-season workouts, everything, to have it come together like this for him and Justin Cooper, it's got to be amazing.
Yeah, the sacrifice, the preparation, the commitment, all come to fruition, made it happen. They're the most consistent guys all season long, Todd.
On behalf of the American Motorcyclist Association, it gives me great pleasure to present you with not one, but 2 250 championships for 2024.